Alright, I'm going to take this off. You'll step over to the sink. Over here, there's a foot pedal under here. Just start the water. You'll kick that. And bend over for me and I'll pull your tray out. Now spit everything you can into the sink and then rinse, rinse, rinse until all the gel feels like it's out of your mouth. You good?
Mm-hmm.
Are you thirsty?
No.
No? Because it'll be 30 minutes before you can eat or drink anything. So if you would like a drink, I would take one now.
Oh, okay. I will.
Okay.
All right.
Perfect. Next, I'm going to hand you a medicated rinse, and this just helps soothe any irritation that might have happened during your whitening. You will swish with it for 1 minute. I will time you, and you may go ahead and start. Make sure you get it up underneath your lips and all around. I can take those glasses for you. This will probably feel like the longest minute of your life. Alright, you can put that in the sink. And then you can come back to the chair and let's check your results.
I was very impressed in how easy and fast that was.
Really good. Did you have any or experience any pain with that?
Mm-mm.
Great.
Not at all.
I'm just going to place some more vitamin E on your lips to ensure that they'll stay moisturized. And next, I'm going to see what your results turned out to be. Rest your head back for me. Smile. Very good. You got a couple shades lighter.
Good.
Now, for home care instruction, for the next 24 hours, you're not going to want to eat anything with color. So no sauces, no mustards, ketchups, coffees, teas. You can have chicken, steak is fine as long as it's not bleeding. Vegetables are fine as long as they're strained. Even green beans is okay. Salad's great as long as it's ranch dressing. And again, this is just for 24 hours. Okay? And then you also, with this kit, get a take-home 60-day bleaching pen. And you can start this tonight, this treatment, okay? What you do is you eat and drink for the day, brush your teeth right before bed. You will put a thin coat on each of the teeth. You want to stand in the mirror and kind of dry off your teeth, you know. And then it just turns at the bottom and then you paint. And then you will place this tray that we used earlier back in your mouth for 20 minutes. There's no gel in this any longer. This will just hold your lips away from your teeth while the whitening is happening. When you're done in 20 minutes, you'll take the tray out. You will not brush, you will not rinse. It will just absorb into the pores of your teeth, okay?
All right.
All right, do you have any questions for me?
How many days do I do the pen and the tray?
Okay, the pen is for 60 days. You can just keep doing it until you're happy, okay? And then if you get to a point where you're happy and you still have gel left, you can just place the pen in the refrigerator and it will stay good until you're ready to touch up again.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.